In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Trello and Google Calendar using the Placker Power-Up. 5 minutes. To get started, sign into your Trello account and open the board you want to sync. You'll need permission to manage power-ups on that board, so make sure you're an admin or have the right access. With the board open, look for the Power-Ups option in the board menu. Open it, then choose Add Power-Ups to visit the directory where we can find the tool we need. In the search bar, type Placker Calendar and look for the listing called Google Calendar, a two-way sync by Placker. This is important because the two-way sync ensures that updates flow both from Trello to Google Calendar and back from Google Calendar into Trello. Click the listing to open its details, then select Add. If Trello asks you to authorize the power-up, go ahead and confirm. Next, you'll see Placker's terms, review them, agree, and click Sign Up for Placker. Placker is the service that powers the calendar sync, so you'll either create a Placker account or connect an existing one through their prompts. When asked, sign into your Google account and grant the necessary permissions so Placker can read and create events in your calendar. These permissions enable the two-way sync to function correctly, and you can review or revoke them later from your Google account settings if needed. After you're signed in, you'll configure the connection between your Trello board and Google Calendar. In Placker's settings, you'll be prompted to import your Trello board. Click Import and wait for the import to complete. Then choose Connect Calendar to link this board with Google Calendar. Now select the specific Google Calendar you want to use. If you have multiple calendars, choose the one that makes the most sense for your workflow, such as a team calendar or a dedicated project calendar. Set your sync options to match how you work. Common choices include whether to sync due dates as event start and end times, how to handle all-day events, and whether edits made on the calendar should update the Trello card. If you rely on due dates in Trello, those will typically be what appear as calendar events. When everything looks right, save your settings. From here on, Placker will keep your Trello board and Google Calendar aligned automatically. If you ever change boards, calendars, or preferences, you can return to the Placker settings to adjust the connection at any time.